It's very important that the schools make a long-term commitment with sustainability because the changes that we need in our society take a long term.
The green team happened sort of spontaneously because I think first of all because the school has a mission to be sustainable. It's in the mission statement. And that's, I think, the most important thing to remember in all of this, is that we're just trying to fulfill the mission of the school.
Sustainability is a topic that is getting a lot of attention in all the world. So working with the students, it is important because they need to know how to manage the challenges that we have right now with the environment. The Green Team is a group of parents, teachers, and students who work together to create a sustainable environment at Magellan International School.
We're really talking about that being a piece of a very big picture about how is the world going to operate over the next 100 years. And we fundamentally believe that the topic of sustainability and being ecologically sound is going to be a key factor that is going to drive decisions over the next 100 years and the entire planet regarding economic activities, political activities, and social activities.
The result of this collaboration is tremendous. You have students who really can understand the connection with the global environmental crisis and the action that you can do every day at home.
Our children are going to be in that world, and it's important for them to actually enter that world with a very clear understanding of what it means to be able to have a healthy planet that is actually going to allow us to thrive as a community.
Regarding sustainability, the 5 priorities at Magellan International School are:
there's a lot we can do to help our environment. How can we reduce waste? When you reduce, you cut down or make something smaller. We can reduce by using less stuff and using only what we need.
We did a lot of planting. We planted a butterfly garden, which until the drought was doing all right, and did a lot of events that day. Had a special day at school where all of our normal schedule was put on hold, and we dedicated the entire day to group projects that in some ways or another involved environmental awareness and actions.
I teach kids about renewable energy, from solar electric to solar hot water to ground source heat pumps, geothermal energy, tidal power, wave power, biomass, all the different types of renewable energy. I try to teach kids about this.
I think we're the only school in Austin that buys energy from the Green Choice program from Austin Energy. So we actually pay more, or we pay a fixed rate for our electricity so that we can get it from exclusively renewable sources. And things like energy audits to the campuses have been another step we've taken to try to be more conservative in the resources we use.
Food is being about relationships and really promoting and cultivating relationships within the community and with our land too.
We believe in living in harmony with nature, and so we have an all-natural green cleaning product line, supplements, healthcare, personal care items. Dia del Niño Verde.
Why?
Because it's a really good opportunity for parents and for kids
to interact and share what they care about in environmental aspects with fun. And so we had a lot of kids in our composting class, probably the most kids we had, and they were engaged, and hopefully there'll be an opportunity for them to compost with their parents together.
Like if you're cutting down a tree and you make paper out of that, you recycle that paper that you can make other things out of it instead of throwing it in the garbage. You can reuse that paper to make something else.
We reused these boxes that had a lot of stuff in it that people could have thrown away, and we put it in and we made something.
I made this airplane out of a lot of cardboard, some tubes, and some of this recycling paper, which is foil.
Recycling helps our planet. And if it's all trash, I don't think we could live here.